Yes, you're here to hunt with us for the 5 stock that has been squeezing on Monday. We talked about it in the last Friday. Hopefully you saw the video, the live streaming, and right now is technically testing the squeeze area for them. Let's get right to it. As we said here, we hunt, take a profit, re-enter with insider, then reload on the support. So let's get right to it and see what's going on. First off, we have AEI. Yes, you guessed it. We already talked about it lately on our Patreon when we talked about it. Yes, the 30th of March last month, and what we said, we're gonna see a bounce for the price from this ascending line and testing the 0.59 where we're gonna see the squeeze. This was on last month, and today the price bounced as we expected near this the ascending line. Why we said this really important level? Because we've been respected this channel, and this channel is accumulation phase. Whatever the price is inside, AEI is bound to have the price jump again near the $1. Right now, today, we tested the 0.5948 precisely. Look how crazy it is. We tested precisely as we said in the last video that we talked about this resistance, the 0.5948 precisely. And here we have a wick. If we just go in 1 hour chart, yes, look how crazy it is. We have a green candle, then red candle, and the price went down. This is just as from the insiders, precisely as our resistance. So what we should expect right now, any price, 1 hour candle close above around the 0.60, this will ignite the price test first around the 0.72, second the 0.99 before the $1. Next up, we have prog. Prog bounce from our support, the $1.12, and again we said it, like this important level has been tested so many times, 1, 2, 3, and this time is the 4th. And again, how much we gain? 7% from the last video when we talked about prog, and we said should be hold for prog to see a price level movement to test this gap that we did around last month, around the 25th of March. And give or take, we're gonna see the price bounce right now and testing first around our exponential average here in the midway around the $1.43. Would be a massive test for prog. If we close above it, will be a kind of beginning for price level movement change from the bearish momentum to bullish momentum until the 2. So be careful from this technical area that will be tested this week, because we have a nice reaction from the market and react positively, and that's why the price bounced back. Right now we're gonna test the midway resistance here around our exponential average, which is the $1.43, and here will be the signal for a squeeze for prog to go to $2. And the next one we have muln. Look how crazy it is. There is a new turning point and change in the chart behavior, because we have this triangle forming, and guess what? The price is been squeezing. Like AEI, the price is been squeezing inside. Testing the $3.66 was the resistance and holding above the $2. So we have technically 2 level of resistance under support. Any price above the $2 is mean ignition and the price accumulation, and any price close above this triangle and above this resistance, the $3.66, will ignite the price to go to $5. Just watch how crazy the price is being squeezed right now for muln. Any price, as we said, breaking from this, we're gonna have a test for the $5. Next up, we have bbig. And there's no change in bbig. We're still accumulating in this box, which is above our gap that we did, above the $2.66. The support, $2.66. Any price holding is mean accumulation price and ready to jump. And again, the $3.88 is the price of the squeeze. Simple as possible. Closing candle above, 1 hour candle. We're gonna see the price go back around the $4 and $5 mark. Let's go to NEO. Look how crazy it is. NEO just jumped from this descending line that we talked about lately, even on our Patreon, and we did a chart analysis here on the 28th of March. And what we said here, the break-in, the 2140, when we're gonna see from the ascending line, we're gonna see a breakout. You see, we already did this ignition or notification on our Patreon, notification for NEO for the price change from the downtrend here to uptrend when we close above. This is a nice movement for NEO after we jump perfectly from the 1367 where we bought around this nice dip. So right now we break him from this descending channel. So what's gonna happen right now? Right now this is confirmed that we have a 2140 is the support. Any price holding above the 2140, just mark my word, here we're gonna have the price go test the 26, then the 29, where we're gonna see the big change movement for NEO. We might see the same reaction as happened for Tesla right now, going to all-time high. So the 29 will change everything for NEO to go to all-time high again around the 40 and 50. So the 29.75 will be the squeeze area. The first test will be the 26.15, and the support that should hold for NEO to confirm this reaction for change from downtrend to bullish trend is holding above this line, which is the 2140. Let's do a bonus stock for you, which is ChargePoint. ChargePoint went out from our level of descending line around the 1947 where we did the chart analysis back then, and what we said, we have to break from this ascending line to confirm the breakout. Right now we have a breakout around the 2072, and any price holding for ChargePoint above the 1947 and holding this new support will confirm the breakout, and the price will go gravitate and test the 24, eventually 2462 for ChargePoint, and the support we have to hold right now to confirm this reaction is the 1947. We're gonna see a first test around the 2190, and if we clear this midway resistance, we're gonna see easily the 2460 maybe for this month. Okay, so this is a really nice reaction for ChargePoint after the downtrend that we've been triggered since we test this ascending line around November last year. You see this big drop. Right now we have a bit of recovery, and this will confirm the recovery after we hold the 1947. Be ready to hunt, have a strategy, cut your emotion and react. Stop thinking when you have a strategy, stop thinking, react on it, take a profit, exit and reload on the support. This is the hunter way of trading. So without further ado, see you in the next update.